Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to compare two CryptoTax softwares. First one is Koinly and the second one is TokenTax. We will go through some pros and cons. I will let you something more about these two products and we'll go through pricing, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's kick it off with Koinly. Koinly is a CryptoTax software offering reliable and simple services. It is available across 20 and more countries and helps users by calculating their cryptocurrency taxes and reducing them. The platform simplifies taxes in 3 easy steps. Users need to add their exchange accounts via CSV or API files and get their blockchain wallets connected through public addresses. They are offered a glimpse of the exact profit or loss earned by Koinly. Lastly, individuals can download detailed tax reports, Schedule D, Form 8949, Tax Act, TurboTax, International Tax reports curated by the software. Inbuilt portfolio tracking features helps them gain a comprehensive view of their total holdings, besides providing a detailed view of growth and ROI over time. Koinly also helps users detect absurd transactions using tools and functionalities like double entry ledger system, auto import verification, missing transactions, and duplicate handling mechanism. Other supported features include compatibility with 50 blockchains, 350 exchanges, 50 wallets, more than 17,000 cryptocurrencies, and historical data, or 6 and more crypto prices. Koinly can be also integrated with other tax softwares, and it's meant for small, medium, large businesses and also for enterprises. They are really successful, I would say, at what they're doing. They're doing it very good, and the UI is very clear. All you need to do is connect your wallets. There are 74 wallets currently, and once you log in through CSV or API, you'll be able to make basically your taxes for the fiscal year, let's say 21 or 20. All that is providing with these pricing plans. First one is free. It's like a free option. If you want to try it out, it's up to 10,000 transactions, unlimited wallets, but there's a big but, because you won't be able to Schedule D and Form 8949, International Tax Reports, Comprehensive Audit Report, and export to TurboTax and Tax Act. So these won't be available for you if you are going with the free version. But if you go with a newbie, all of a sudden you have up to 100 transactions, and you have all these tax report features unlocked. Then Hodler, which is 99 per tax year, and then the Trader, which is up to 3,000, which is like $179, and also 10,000 and plus if you're really big into transactions, and then it's 10,000 more. That's crazy. And also you'll get email support with this pro option. But let's talk about the TokenTax. It's very similar. TokenTax is a CryptoTax software platform and full-service cryptocurrency tax recording firm. You can also check the integrations, as I said before, with all the, for example, eToro, Inch, Buybox, BitPay. So you know when you pay something or pay for something, it will automatically appear in your wallet, and they will consider it to be taxified. We have products in CryptoTax reports, IRS form 8949. This is basically like the basics, audits, cryptocurrency mining income, and all the stuff that you really expect and should need, to the pricing plans. We have a couple of options in here. First one is basic. Tax liability calculation for Coinbase and Coinbase Pro is 65 tax a year, 500 transaction, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro API only. And straight away you have all the features. Then premium, 5,000 transactions, NFT integrations, and all the nice stuff. Pro for 800 almost, which is, we are somewhere completely on a different level compared to Koinly. And you see there's at best 279, but we are at 800 already. And in VIP have 2,500 per year, up to 30,000 transactions, and all the stuff that you need, but mainly sessions with tax experts. So you are basically buying their time to help you with your tasks and with your taxes. You can also go with crypto and full tax fillings, and this is completely somewhere else money-wise. I have to say that token tax is taking a wider approach with cryptocurrencies and crypto tax, and Koinly is more personalized. I would still go with Koinly. I like how they approach, how they are treating the customers, and also I like the UI is very clear and intuitive, so you don't need that much of training with it. But so does token tax, but you have to pay more, simply. And also I very like the free option that Koinly provides. Other than that, if you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. If you like the video, press like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you at the other one. Have a good day.